Warsaw. We're driving through the ban. Well, not through the ban. We're driving while there's no ban. And now people are going to jump into the gap and stuff. But I literally said that if you come to Warsaw and you don't sit in traffic, you haven't been to Warsaw. And everything was going so fine until this point. And now we're just sitting in traffic from both directions. Why am I in the middle lane? Because my lane turns off. Is there someone like broken down? Yeah, that's what it is. Go ahead. Go ahead, bud. What are you gonna do? He's just gonna dive in there. Why not? Oh, well, not a probably great place to break down. Not gonna lie, bud. You could have chosen better. Well, at least I was in the right lane. My lane does turn off, but just to let traffic start flowing a little bit better, we'll get into this lane. Because cars are gonna start going faster than trucks are, so. Yeah. Let's hope that was the only traffic jam. I literally was driving through here, everything was fine, and then they go, man, Warsaw's going pretty well today. And then traffic jam. So, it's kind of like, oh, today, oh, okay, well. Do you people not know how to drive? Like, and another traffic jam, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna actually try to jump into the second lane. Yeah, we're gonna just jump into this lane. There we go. Plus, I don't like driving behind this dude. This dude just like brakes randomly. And another dead stop. Fantastic. I don't get it, what's going on here. I don't know. Is that another broken down car? Because it looks like it. What the hell is going on? This might become its own video. I really don't know, but that guy's screwed McGrewed. Alright, let's try to running out of patience here. We're just gonna keep on driving in the second lane. I think it's gonna move a little bit quicker than the first one, seeing how they got cars diving in and out. We just need to make this 1.3 kilometers, and then the road split up and it clears up and stuff like that. But for the most part, it's just not great. They almost crashed over there. This person's like really riding the shoulder. People are diving in and out. You gotta be careful, watch a bunch of things at the same time. This motorcycle guy's feeling risque. He wants a lane split, but he probably doesn't have the room for it. There he goes. Nice little run lane split. Alright, let's try to catch up to these people. There we go. Now we're moving a little bit. Until lane splitters jack it all up again, I would imagine. At least. Oh god, Warsaw is such a annoying city to drive through because they do the stupid ban, and then when everyone's trying to get through, there's more traffic, and it's just like all you're doing is creating traffic and traffic and traffic and traffic. So to each their own, I guess, but yeah, we're gonna stay in this lane. Technically you're not supposed to overtake, but my lane's just moving faster, so it is what it is. And see, I told you it turns off. I wasn't lying. You used to do that on the other side too over there, but it doesn't do it anymore. So this guy's barely moving, and now I definitely can't overtake because this is only a 2-lane system. So welcome to Warsaw. Like, I don't get the ban. I don't get it. Like, I understand back in the day when you used to drive through the city, like the city itself, that there used to be a ban, but now, like, there's a highway through it and everything, and then they still want you to go around and stuff, and it's annoying. It really is. It's probably going to become its own video. Me just driving through Warsaw. Well, it's going to be next week's Monday video. Also, at the same time, I'm looking for any colleagues, just to ask them if anything's going on. Am I going to leave the Lithuanian part in? Probably. I can't be bothered to take it out. I mean, we're pretty clear now. We're moving at a steady pace, and I'll take this all day long. Just keep it at this. I'll be fine with this. Probably should have done an intro to this. Oh well. I'll just throw the intro on and that's it. This guy's now screwing up all the progress with his little ladders. What is it, snakes and ladders, damn it? he gonna move?
You are over the speed limit.
Is he gonna move? 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 Yes, he is. Move. Thank you. I am not doing that. I mean, we're going close to 80. Alright, now this car's not moving. I have so little patience for things like this, it's ridiculous. It is a beautiful day, as you can see, though. I mean, what is the statistics out here? 17 Celsius, 2:51 p.m. Look at what the day is. Is that a cop? No, that's not a cop. It's a scooter. It's it's like the annoying bees of the road. Tell me I'm wrong. Tell me I'm wrong. We'll see how much of this footage is actually useful. Alright, once we get around her, we'll go back into Arlene. Well, we got a person right there, but we're going back to Arlene. There we go, we're back in Arlene. 16 tons! How dare you assume my weight? Alright, let's just set it in 87. Yeah, I don't know what you guys are doing in the second lane if a truck's passing you on the second one. But okay, in the first, I don't know what's going on anymore. I've been awake for a while, okay? Kind of sleep deprived a little bit. I'm not trying to lose speed here. Alright, so we're almost out of Warsaw. He's gonna dive in. You can kind of tell how people are gonna drive before they actually do things, because like you get used to their stupidity. And we're pretty much through Warsaw at this point. We're on the back end of it now. So yeah, and the truck brake and stuff. Whew, I don't know if I'm gonna even use this as footage, depending on how it turned out and everything. I know this is in the way, but I'll figure something out eventually for it, so it's not in the way as much. And yeah, now we're just pretty much gonna be good here. I'm pretty sure. I could assume at least. We're still gonna stay in the second lane because everyone's driving way too slow for my liking. Gotta keep an eye on what's going on behind you too. This guy's gonna dive in front of me, because why not? Everyone's just diving in front of me. Am I like not visible? Like, I mean, it's just, what am I? 48 tons or something like that? No, 40 tons is the max here. I don't know why I said 48. I think it's 48,000 pounds, right? No. I don't know. I think so. I think that's the max weight you could be. I could be wrong. I'm not sure. No, he's got the hammer down, so I think I'm gonna dive back into my lane as well here. As long as no one does anything stupid, we should be fine. And that's asking a lot of society. We have 109 kilometers left. I've been driving now for roughly 8 hours. I got 2 hours left on my clock. It's gonna take me about an hour something to do that, I think. I don't know, I don't really remember. I did calculations today on exactly that distance, but I can't remember now. I mean, can I get closer? I mean, I could probably get closer. I could probably make it to that other lot. Now, do I risk it to make it to the other lot? I mean, I would have more drive time tomorrow, but then at the same time, I'm losing an hour of rest today, which probably doesn't really have an effect on my start time, because I don't know when I'm going to start. But basically, the faster I can get this unloaded, I'm pretty sure I'm going home after this load is delivered. So I don't think it really matters. Oh no! Oh, a little lizard ran across the road too. I was like, run lizard, run! Yeah, and this is like the outskirts of Warsaw. 3 lanes of just pure butte. So as you can see, we have a lot of people that try to overtake. Hopefully everyone go-goes, but let's be honest, it's probably not gonna happen. I am a little bit tired already today, I'm not gonna lie. In total, I've been awake for like 10 hours, something like that. I haven't been sleeping either. I don't know, I've been having trouble sleeping a little bit. They're like, yeah, screw the distance measurement. So yeah, that was Warsaw, ladies and gentlemen. We kind of started in the middle of it. Gomas is 400. So it'll be 321 tomorrow. That's not too bad. I could probably do, yeah, I think I'll just stop at this one. I don't know. This is usually where they have like transporter people dot basically. But I guess there's no one here today because there's a bunch of trucks standing here, and usually when there's dot, they don't stand here. So yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much going to be the video. Don't know how long I vlogged. And plus I'm starting to feel my throat getting very raspy for some reason. But that was Warsaw. Annoying old traffic-filled Warsaw. I can't wait to watch this back and see and decide if I'm going to actually use this footage or not. But I'm pretty sure my camera's running out of footage. Out of space. So if you didn't enjoy the video, because I'm going to make this a standalone video, like, comment, subscribe. 80% or like 90% are not subscribed. So subscribe to the channel. I have more videos of like this coming out. I also have weekly update videos where the whole week was filmed. So if you're looking into that, just look up American Trucking in Europe. And I don't know what I'm going to call this. POV Trucking in Europe. I guess that's what I'm going to call it. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.